I'd like to thank Professor Apici and Roberta Maselli and Humanitas for having me here and for giving me the opportunity to talk to you about Women in Interventional Endoscopy. This was an organization that was founded to help promote women in interventional endoscopy. It's important for us to make sure that women within the field are put forward on the stage in terms of their accomplishments, for which there are many. We'd like to create a database of mentors and mentees. We'd like to also promote scientific research and collaboration within the field to help identify investigators who want to work together. We'd like to hold educational workshops throughout the year, either as part of larger organizational events. We hope that this will be a very successful organization. It's a field of innovation, and we are always relying on developing and perfecting new tools to help us make our techniques more efficient and safer, to have better outcomes for our patients. So I think there's always room for development of new tools for techniques such as ESD or POEM for achalasia, as well as therapeutic or interventional EUS and ERCP. And I think working together in collaboration with our colleagues, particularly given the fact that there are very few centers that do high-level procedures such as these that I just mentioned, I think that's very important. Partnering with industry, I think, is key to really moving our fields further and developing further innovation. I think finding mentorship early on in the process of going into fellowship, particularly for interventional endoscopy, is really important. At the same time, you want to really expand those exposures, and so even visiting other centers, whether it be for a few weeks or months, is important. Even later in your training, or once you become an attending, it's important. Like myself, visiting, for example, Humanitas, and having the opportunity to see how my colleagues do different procedures. I think all of that is really important in really keeping yourself open, developing new techniques, developing new innovation, and really finding your place within the field.